People really do try to scam new estheticians. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shakia if you are new here, and in today's video I'm sharing a few tips for any new estheticians. If you are fresh out of aesthetic school and you feel like you don't know anything, you feel lost, that is completely normal. When just graduating and getting your license in aesthetic school, you learn like the basics. So that is completely normal, and you just need to remember to continue your education. I always preach continue your education because when you continue your education, I know for me anyway, whenever I continue my education, that's how I feel more confident, because you feel knowledgeable enough to educate your clients on what they should or should not be doing. So definitely continue your education. If you'd like me to make a video on like all about continuing your education, definitely let me know down in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up. This next tip is very important because people, like, you wouldn't think it, well, I know I wouldn't have thought about it, but people really do try to scam new estheticians, and it be the people that's in your industry with you, and they will try to take advantage of new estheticians because they don't know any better. So definitely know your status, and when I say status, know if you are an employee or an independent contractor. Make sure that you know what classifies you as an employee and what classifies you as an independent contractor. You want to check with your state regulations, because people will try to get over on you. They'll hire you on as an independent contractor but be trying to tell you what to do like you're an employee. So, and yeah, it's just a lot of sketchy people out there. So definitely know what classifies you as an employee and what classifies you as an independent contractor. The same goes when you are commission based. There's certain regulations, criteria, what's illegal. Definitely do your research when it comes to being an employee, being an independent contractor, earning commission, all that stuff. This next tip I've learned recently, and it's you do not have to do it all. I know fresh out of aesthetic school, you want all the clients, you want to bring in all the clients you can, but you do not have to do every service if you don't enjoy doing every service. So definitely, if you know out of aesthetic school what you love, what you don't love, do what you love. Like, don't do something that you're completely miserable doing. If you want to specialize in waxing, go ahead and do waxing. If you want to specialize in lashes, do lashes. If you want to specialize in skincare, then do skincare. But you do not have to do everything. And it's good to be very good at one thing than doing multiple things, all the things not so well. So this next tip is mostly for the people that specialize in skincare, and it's you do not need all the equipment. You don't need every piece of equipment that you see every other esthetician having in their treatment room or that you see on social media. Like, your skills with just the minimum equipment can speak for itself. If you have good skill, you can make something happen without using a bunch of extra equipment. And if you're new, I'm pretty sure that you're on a budget, so it's like, think about it, like, you can transform somebody's skin without all the equipment. Definitely work on your craft. If you're skilled enough, you can make things happen without all the extra equipment. And I know sometimes it does get kind of hard, because if your client is someone who watches on social media, like all these gadgets and stuff, and they're like, oh, do you offer this? Do you offer this? I saw this, I saw that. If you can change their skin without all that equipment, it says a lot. So yes, you do want to stay up to date with all the new trends and everything, but definitely be smart about it, because there's a lot of equipment and machines that you don't absolutely need. And this leads into walking and not running. I always have to tell myself that, because it's like, I feel like, oh, I should be doing this, maybe I should get this. And it's like, we're still new estheticians out here. We still have a lot to learn, and perfect your craft. I'm just going to say that. Perfect your craft, invest wisely when it comes to your business, invest in your education, your continuing education, and the confidence will come. But that's all that I have for you in today's video. If you have any other questions, definitely leave a comment down below. Follow at Shop XO Luxury on Instagram.